Welcome everyone. I hope you all must have now been knowing the names of four basic elements of astrology. Now we will learn all of them in detail one by one. In our today's lecture, we are going to discuss the planet Sun in detail. Planets rule the life of any and every being. Everything can be predicted just by knowing the correct influence of each of these in a particular birth chart. What we are going to teach you here is the data you need to embed in your subconscious mind. It will be taken into consideration along with other things as well at the time of studying a horoscope, but do not stick to it with rigidity, because theory is practically different from practicality. Sun is a ball of fire, having a lot of energy which is life-giving. Being a star, it has its own life, so it is right to take it as a planet having a lot of energy and vitality, responsible for life. Person having Sun influence is fiery in temperament. It neither gives energy nor it takes energy from any other planet. It only burns the energy of other planets, which is known as combustion. Combustion we will discuss in detail in upcoming lessons. Only Rahu affects Sun negatively. It is said to eclipse Sun's energy when it is placed along with Sun in the same house of the horoscope. Sun when posted along with Rahu in the same house is considered to give bad effects. Now, coming to the things represented or influenced by Sun, and they are a person's own self, his or her father, soul, authority, leadership, intelligence, social status. People whose physical appearance is ruled by Sun have a very attractive personality. Here, I will not say that they are good looking, but they are attractive. They draw attention of everyone they encounter. You may call it a personal magnetism. They are tall but short stature, a sort of square body. They are generally have scanty hair or are bald-headed. Their hairs are bit curly. Their complexion is a mixture of red and green. Their eyes are honey-colored. They generally have small feet but massive arms. Their bones are very sturdy. They like to wear saffron colored aprons. Now coming to the nature of sun. By nature it is sattvic, royal and mild. Malefic sun under some particular conditions impart cruelty. Caste Kshatriya. Kshatriya is a Hindi word which means a warrior. Gender male. Deity Lord Shiva. Direction east. Average daily motion of sun is 1 degree. In blood relation, it represents father of a child born in daytime. Elsewise, it represents paternal uncle. It is Bhav Karka for house number 1, 9 and 10. As I have told before, Bhava is also known as houses in a horoscope. Gem, ruby. Colors red, dark brown, copper red, fire red, blood red. In aspect of life, it represents soul and life because solar energy provides vitality to life. Characteristic mark on the body. Any remarkable mark on the right side of body, especially in the hip region, is given by sun. You will note that kind of marks when sun is highly afflicted or of a malefic nature. Apparels or clothing. Red clothes. Coarse clothes of thick thread like khadi. Red silkens. The body parts represented by sun are head, stomach, heart, arteries, right eye, brain, throat, spleen, belly, and tissues. Diseases associated with afflicted sun or are caused due to sun placement in a particular horoscope are high blood pressure, high fever dominated by villi bile, burning of whole body, epilepsy, heart disorders, right eye troubles, leukorrhea, ENT problems, cerebral disorders, dysentery. Since Sun is a bilious planet, hence it is responsible for bile related disorders such as jaundice. Profession imparted by Sun are king, statesman, doctor, pharmacist, people who make poison, silk or fuel, farmer. People under great influence of sun do not live at the same place for a very long time. Rashi of exaltation, or you can say the exaltation point, is Aries 10 degree. Rashi of debilitation or debilitation point is Libra 10 degree. We will study what exaltation and debilitation in detail in our future lectures. For now, just remember that exaltation is the point when the planet is in its full strength, and debilitation is exactly opposite of it, that is, when the planet is in its least strength. Duration of Sun. Summer, known as Uttarayan, and winter, known as Dakshinayan. Sun is known to be in Uttarayan from the day it enters Capricorn Rashi, also known as Makar, celebrated all over as Makar Sankranti, which happened to be generally falling on 14th of January according to English calendar. Exactly after 6 months, when the Sun enters Cancer Rashi, also known as Garg, it is said to be enter Dakshinayan. We will use Uttarayan and Dakshinayan in Muhurta. For now, Uttarayan is considered to be auspicious and Dakshinayan is considered to be unauspicious. Grain and pulses denoted by sun, wheat, taste, sharp, pungent and bitter, metals, copper and brass, neck ornaments, ruby set necklace in which ruby stones are of square shape, abode, rocky soil, temple of Lord Shiva, aspect or drishtis. 7. It means that in a horoscope, Sun sees the house exactly at the 7th position from the house in which Sun is placed, taking it to be 1. The house expected by Sun will show the result influenced by it. Now we will discuss planetary relationship, friends, Moon, Mars and Jupiter. The planets which are enemies, Saturn and Venus. Neutral planet is Mercury. With this, we will end this lecture on Sun. Further, we will discuss the planet Moon in our next lecture. For now, goodbye and have a very nice astrology ahead.